Hello, today we will be checking out some cursed train images. I can't wait to torture myself. Okay. I guess we have a Southern Pacific diesel mixed with a steam locomotive. That is very weird. But I mean, it does look like Southern Pacific 4294 with that type of like two cab style. Next is a P42 with NS paint. It looks pretty weird when freight railroads have passenger locomotives. The only reason you would be putting freight railroad paint schemes on a passenger locomotive is for heritage units, like for NJ Transit. Ooh, an Amtrak Dash 9. It does fit Phase 1 very good. Only if Amtrak had Dash 9s, bro. Now, this looks pretty weird, but I know why there's F40 PHs on a Norfolk Southern train. At that time, Norfolk Southern did have an engine shortage, so they didn't have a lot of locomotives. So they leased some F40 PHs from Amtrak. I think that's when that picture was taken. Next is a Norfolk Southern GEVO on a steam locomotive, and that there is the definition of ugliness. I mean, that is weird. I am too used to the cabs of steam locomotives being at the back instead of the front. I don't have much to say about this. It's just that it looks cool in the Midwest paint, but I don't like it because it's since it's an older locomotive, it looks weird with a modern paint. Ooh, this one actually looks pretty good. An Amtrak SD40-2, and with the Surfliner, I think it's the Surfliner paint. Looks pretty cool. And I wish Amtrak had those for yard service in California, bro. No, just burn it, throw it away, trash it. It does fit the paint scheme well on the Dash 7. It's just that I'm not a Dash 7 type person. I just don't like it. Okay, this now concludes the video. If you have any questions, just ask them in the comments. If you want a part 2, ask them in the comments. Some trains I saw in this video I did not like, most of them I did like. Especially that Dash 9 for Amtrak. Man, I wish those were real. And now, just check out the BNSF train that I caught in Phoenix. The lead locomotive, I think, is a GP38, but the trailing locomotive is a GP25X, I think. I think it's X ATSF 38. And yeah.